Speaking of cool, today.
Yeah.
Wow.
Frosty, huh?
It is a little nippy out there.
It's nice.
Definitely. We got it all over again tomorrow. We're going to start off with frost in many areas south of Cleveland. Greater Cleveland, I don't think we're going to have to deal with that, but it's going to be chilly tomorrow morning. And it all begins with the clear skies that we have in place. Clear skies, we have calming winds, we have dry conditions. That's pretty much the ingredients you need. Now, you see the 44. I think that's being a little optimistic for Greater Cleveland. I wouldn't be surprised if we have a lot of areas that are in the upper 30s, 39, 40 degrees, and you can see that 44. Generally speaking, I think that'd be kind of the heart of the city kind of a place. There's the frost advisory. It's all of our inland counties, including Mansfield, Ashland, Medina, right up through Chardon and Jefferson, not Ashtabula. That's on the lakeshore, but farther south then you see those areas where we could even have some spotty freezing temperatures. We've already dealt with that in areas like Worcester and some parts of Medina, but there's where we stand right now, and this is where the temperatures will fall off from. So it kind of gives us a pretty good shot at making it into the 30s. Still, we are warm compared to where some areas to the east are. Look at upper New York State. They've had temperatures in the 30s through the afternoon. Granted, they're higher up, but it's still on the map. Farther west, however, well into the 60s, and we are setting up for a phenomenal week ahead, and a lot of this can be pointed out in the overall pattern that is going on across the country. You can watch the clouds and how they kind of go up and over the Rocky Mountains and then dip a little bit down here into the Great Lakes region. That's basically giving us an idea of how things are going to go in the upper part of the atmosphere, and anytime you have this dipping, that's called a trough, that will kind of bring in the cooler air aloft. We get some clouds, especially thanks to the lakes, but when we have this bump here, that's called a ridge. That is a sunny type scenario setting up. Watch what happens as we go through the rest of the week. We're kind of stuck in this little bit of troughiness, as the hipsters like to call it, but watch what happens midweek, and as we go into Thursday, all that begins to change. We build in a ridge by the end of the week. That's going to do two things. It's going to keep us in sunshine, and it's going to bring in a lot of warmer air. So temperatures have been pretty cool today, and through the rest of the week, we will slowly but surely keep warming up. Frosty start for many, sunny skies otherwise. Temperatures in the 30s, will be in the 60s for the day tomorrow. Keep in mind, mid-60s, the average high this time of year. We're right there for tomorrow. 69 on Wednesday, and look where the temperatures go from there. This weekend is setting up to be stunning in your Universal Windows Direct forecast. Mid-70s both Saturday and Sunday, with partly sunny skies expected to wrap up the weekend and a chance of rain to start off next week. This is what we like to call autumn glory. Now, Glory, Browns, not really thinking those two go together, or do they? Jimmy will have more coming up.